Stop. Do not buy the Netflix dip. Not yet. If you buy at $100 today, you are walking straight into a trap that can wipe out your entire year's profit. The market is screaming opportunity, but the math is screaming danger. I've calculated the exact bottom of this crash down to the penny, and it is not where you think it is. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the kill switch level. If Netflix breaks this number, the bull market is officially dead. You cannot afford to miss this. First, let's look at the anchor dragging us down. The $83 billion WBD merger. On paper, owning Harry Potter and HBO sounds like a dream. But in reality, it's a regulatory nightmare. The FTC is circling like sharks, and the market hates uncertainty. But here's the twist. Usually, fear creates opportunity. So is this drop a gift? Wait, before you answer that, you need to see what the smart money is doing behind the scenes. This is the scary part. While YouTubers and analysts are telling you to buy the dip, look at this chart, the insiders are dumping shares. The people who know the most about the WBD deal are selling at the highs. Does that sound like confidence to you? I don't think so. So if the CEO is selling and the government is suing, is the stock going to zero? No. There are two specific mathematical floors where the algorithms will step in. I'm going to reveal them right now. The first one is risky, but the second one, that's the house bet. Let's look at the charts. Okay, pay attention. This is level 1, $97.74. This isn't a random support. This is the calculated, measured move of the first crash wave. But here is the trap. You can try a small buy here, but you must use the 3-day rule. If $97.74 breaks and stays broken for 72 hours, get out. Do not ask questions. Because if this level fails, the trapdoor opens, and you do not want to be standing on it. If $97 fails, where do we go? Welcome to $80.933. This is the golden level. It's where I am backing up the truck. It wipes out all the 2025 gains. It is the ultimate capitulation point. However, this is also your kill switch. If Netflix cannot hold $80.933, game over. The long-term trend is broken. So write these two numbers down. $97.74 for the brave, $80.933 for the patient. I'm waiting for $80.93, but I'll be watching $97 like a hawk this week. Which camp are you in? The brave or the patient? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like if you want more no BS levels. I'm Alex. Trade safe.